Nobody gets out alive. Not you, not me, none of us. We all die in the end. But when, where, and how is the question. Not knowing when, where, or how has its comforts and charm. What if that all changed and now you know where, when, and how you're going to die? Where did this all go wrong? What did you do to bring this punishment down on yourself and your family? Were you a lousy person who was abusive, destructive, and bitter? The truth is, this could be your fate or mine if you have an undiagnosed liver condition and you drink alcohol. Here is a perfect example of how this can go really wrong to someone really good.
Dad and my mother and my brother. It's my blood.